Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create animated videos for free in Canva. So let's dive right in. Head over to canva.com and from the home page, select videos. And then from there, you can just select YouTube video. So that's going to create a blank page. And then we have to make the video from the scratch. So let's add the background of the video. So I'll just head over to the left and then click on elements. And then just select landscape from here. Click on graphics. And then from here, select the one you like the most. Alright, so let's say I want to add this. All I have to do is just click and drag it. You can adjust the size and make it fuller. Alright, so our first step is done. And after that, we're gonna add some more elements and then we're gonna animate it. So let's just search for some walking person here. Head over to graphics. And then let's add this. Alright, so it's pretty big for our image, so let's adjust the size. So the reason I have put the graphic here, because I'm gonna animate it. In order to do that, just click on the object and then click on animate. Here you have different basic animations like rise, pan, fade in and fade out. But I wanted to show you guys a new tool, that is the B tool. Over here, just click on create an animation. And then all we have to do is just click and drag the object. And the AI will process that animation. Alright, there you go. Alright, so you can further customize it. Just head over to the left. And then you can select the movement style. I'll just go with smooth. And then you can select the speed if you want. You can increase it or you can decrease it. Just adjust the speed according to you. And once you're done, just click on done. Alright, now let's add some cars over here. So I'm just gonna head over to the left and search for some cars. If you click on these three lines, you can select only animated videos if you want. Alright, so we have a graphic of a car here. Let's click and drag it over. Adjust the size. And then we're gonna do the same thing. Just animate it using the B tool. Alright, so that's done. Now let's add the sun over here. Maybe I'll just select this. Alright, you can even add some clouds if you want. Well, let's just add this. Click and drag it over. Adjust the size. And then we're gonna same thing, use the B tool to create the animation. Alright, so it's looking much better now. So just like that, you can keep on adding more stuff. You can even add some birds if you want. Let's select this and then animate it. Alright, so the bird is flying away. Select the movie style as steady. Maybe decrease the speed. Yes. Alright, so now let's add another scene. All we have to do is just click here to add the page. Select some backgrounds. Alright, so now let's add our elements one by one. Select animated graphics from here. Let's add this. Let's add another one. Maybe this. Alright, so now let's flip this one so that it faces the other way. That's really cool. Now let's animate these. Let's animate this as well. Alright, cool. Now let's add some snow. Alright, this one is looking nice. Let's cover the entire screen. You can adjust transparency from here. Alright, so do any fine tunings if you want. And then you can create the next scene. Alright, so let's add another scene here. This time we're gonna make a rainy day. Let's add the background. Alright, so let's add some clouds over here. Let's add some birds over here. Alright, so let's animate this a little. Now it's time to add some rain. Alright, so once you're done with the scenes, let's add some transitions in between the scenes. Just head over in between the clips and then click here to add transitions. Let's check out the entire video. Alright, so there you have it, folks. That's how you can create these animated videos for free in Canva. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next video.